Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is a web hosting software and what to start a web hosting software company and how to earn money from web hosting. What is the best web hosting company in Pakistan? And what is the best hosting company in overall world? Before starting this video in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video updates. First, what is a web hosting software? A web hosting software is a control panel with a graphical interface helping to manage different websites, database, file, email, and etc. A hosting server from the central location. It is used to organize and the web hosting service to provider and manage the multiple website and database. These are the definition of web hosting software. Now, how to make money with web hosting software? Become a web hosting seller. Hosting with a seller. Hosting plan has emerged as an increasingly popular way to make money from the web hosting. Next, become affiliate. Beginning a hosting affiliate is one of the easiest way to earn money from the web hosting. Next and third is to provide a hosting from your dedicating server. These are the way to make money from with web hosting. Which is the web hosting is the best in Pakistan? The best web hosting in Pakistan. These are 8 top best hosting which now in this video. First is Hostinger. Hostinger, the best of all overall web hosting. Next is SiteGround, run up over all web hosting. Next is GreenGree, the best green web hosting. Next is fourth number is A2 hosting, best hosting for reseller. Intel PDM web hosting, the local web hosting. The next is Kinsta web hosting, the best managed WordPress hosting. Next is Hostpaya, the best hosting service. Next is Bluehost, those good web hosting for a beginner. These are the best web hosting service in Pakistan. You can become a web hosting seller or buy seller. Next, let's talk about the best online company idea for Pakistan. Sell your home cooked food. Which is the best hosting company in our all world? First is Bluehost. Bluehost is the best web hosting overall. Next is the HostGator. HostGator is the best share web hosting. Next is the Hostinger. Hostinger best cloud web hosting. Emotion, the best reseller web hosting. Hostwing, the best dedicating web hosting. Dreamhost, best email hosting provider. GreenGree, best green hosting service. Domain dot, best shared hosting provider. These are the best hosting shared service. And HostGator, another hosting HostGator, GhostGaddy. These are the other. Friend, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please press the like button. If you have any doubt from this video, please comment us. We give the answer.